Hello, AAA Life member. This is Craig Morrison. I am the Life and Annuity Specialist in the Gainesville branch, and I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself to you and congratulate you. You've got 4 years behind you in drop and one to go, so you've hit the finish line. Congratulations. I wanted to make you aware of the fact that we do have a benefit at AAA, part of your membership benefit as far as retirement transition. And that's a no obligation, no cost, sit down with me where we might be able to help you. Not even sure what your circumstances are right now, but you will be facing situations, as you know, possibility of replacing your health insurance, coming up with a game plan to replace your paycheck, as well as trying to determine whether or not to take Social Security, and above all, what to do with that drop money. A lot of possibilities out there, a lot of things that we can discuss. I'd love for you to include me and AAA in your plans as you do your research in transitioning into retirement. Again, I want to thank you so much for being a member, and I do look forward to meeting with you. Would love to, have you come into our new office on 5200 Northwest 43rd Street in Hunters Crossing. And again, congratulations to you. I look forward to helping you in any way I can with any possibilities that might be. My mantra is, I provide hope and a peace of mind to a world full of financial uncertainty.